Welcome to Imperfect Me by Tonya. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to use raw egg as a protein treatment and a deep conditioner.
The amount of eggs you use is depending on how big your hair is. So in today's video, I'm going to be using 2 eggs. I'm going to be using an oil of my choice. You can use any oil you like, coconut oil, whatever. And you're also going to need conditioner. I guess you can use any conditioner you like, but for me, I'm using a rinse out conditioner. You're also going to need a bowl to mix everything in. So yeah, let's get straight into the video.
So there's no specific measurements for the conditioner and the oil, but one thing you want to do is you don't want the content, you don't want the mixture to be runny. So you need to keep adding conditioner until it is thick enough for you. So that way when you apply it to your hair, it's not going to be dripping all over your body. Now that I am done twisting my whole head, I'm going to cover my head with this leather bag and also with a shower cap and leave it on for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. Then I'll wash it off. Now you want to wash your hair with warm or cold water, not hot because that's gonna cook the egg in your head, okay? So, oops, that did not just happen, okay? You didn't see that, so yep, just ignore. Now that I am done washing my hair, I am going to moisturize my hair and do all the normal processes that I do after washing my hair. And then I'm going to retwist my hair and just leave it like that till the next day to dry and so I can style it. So this was the next day, and trust me, my fro felt super soft. But yeah, if you want to know how I achieved this fro, the video will be coming up after this one, so subscribe so you get notified when I post. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.